Welcome to the World Steel Dynamics Interactive Cost System. This brief video is intended to provide an overview of the system functionality and enhanced capabilities available on our new web-based platform. For those familiar with prior editions of the WSD cost curve product, this new system will provide the same highly detailed process-by-process analyses of steelmakers' production costs, in addition to offering several new key features that we're about to demonstrate. Once logged in, select the Assumptions and Inputs button at the top upper left-hand corner for the first menu of options. Where available, information bubbles are there to guide you through the application with specific instructions and descriptions. The first item on the menu requires the user to choose between two options: reviewing cost data based on the latest World Steel Dynamics monthly estimates, or conducting a what-if analysis of a particular steelmaking plant or standard plant type. Our interactive system contains detailed cost information for over 200 flat-rolled steel sheet producing plants and another 57 regional standard plants. The inputs provided in our World Cost Curve model will be updated monthly going forward. Let's make the first selection and access the cost summaries and cost curves based on the latest World Steel Dynamics figures. Having made this selection, the user will see a listing of all 265 flat-rolled plants on the screen. The screen is equipped with a number of functions allowing the user to make specific selections from our vast database. Each attribute that describes the plants is also a sortable field. In addition, 3 of the attributes may be used to narrow down the subset of plants that the user may wish to isolate for comparative analyses. For instance, I may select all USA-based EAF producers with a capacity to produce cold roll coil by making these selections. To clarify, under the steelmaking process filter, EAF DRI is used to denote EAF producers with their own DRI production facilities. None generally denotes converters of semi-finished products and other re-rolling plants. Once you've narrowed down your list of plants, the system provides the option to select one or more plants from the list to review detailed summary reports and cost curves. At any time, you may bypass the selection process entirely and click directly on the Process All Companies button to generate the entire cost curve. Let's do that. On this screen, you'll have the ability to view a comprehensive cost summary for each of the individual plants, as well as up to 26 plant ranking reports and accompanying cost curves. Selecting an individual plant, the user will be directed to a detailed report based on the latest data available in our system. Along the left side of the page, the user will find a company profile and summary of the various through-stage costs. The detailed cost information is presented at the center of the page. First, it's important to note that the detailed raw material costs are on a per metric ton basis, starting with the upstream-most product, such as pig iron, and ending with the downstream-most product, cold roll coil. The total column provides the total raw material cost of the downstream-most product. This bolded total row summarizes only the raw material costs through each stage. Below the raw material cost section, we summarize stage-by-stage labor, energy costs, the energy scrap credit, and mill-specific other costs on a per ton basis. All cost components are added together to get the total process cost for each stage of production. The user has the ability to print the summary in the presented format by clicking the Print Landscape button at the top of the page. Also, you may export this data directly into an Excel spreadsheet. Now, let's return to the Reports page. In addition to providing comprehensive summaries of each of the selected plants, our interactive system allows the user to access 26 different plant rankings and associated cost curves. For example, here's a ranking list and cost curve for hot roll band operating costs. Note that the headers on the ranking list are sortable fields. You may export the ranking table directly into an Excel spreadsheet. For your convenience, you may extract a full report of all summary sheets and relevant plant rankings by clicking on Download All Plant Summaries or Download All Ranking Reports links. Now, let us explore the interactive element of our World Cost Curve system and discuss the World Steel Dynamics standard plants. As discussed previously, the two major additions to our new World Cost Curve system are the ability to alter up to 67 key cost drivers, as well as the addition of 57 standard plants to the system. Our standard plants dynamically calculate the distribution, price, and usage of inputs for all plants within a subset based on a combination of geography and steel production methodology, computing a theoretical median cost. Using the same interface, you may narrow down your plant selection. Click the radio button next to the plant you wish to analyze. Once the selection is made, the Continue button will appear and the calculated input distributions and prices for the selected plant will be displayed. Wherever you see a non-zero value, the user has the ability to alter that input. For example, if the user wishes to assess the impact of an average spot market coal price of, say, $300 per ton on an average Chinese integrated plant, you may do so by simply changing the value. The user can make similar adjustments for any relevant input available on the screen. In addition, we've incorporated the ability to assess the marginal cost impact of the plant operating rate on production cost. Once your alterations are complete, click the Process Inputs button and the system will compute the new cost. Once again, our detailed summary format is displayed for your review. The WSD Interactive Cost Curve system is a continually evolving product, and we already have plans in place to roll out several additional features for the system, including historical, snapshot comparisons, and other analytical enhancements. These enhancements will be standard for all subscribers of our system. For additional information, please do not hesitate to contact us via email or by calling us in the United States at 201-503-0900. Thank you for taking the time to view this demonstration, and we look forward to serving you.